Today we are going to review an amazing portable outdoor speaker by Mifa. Mifa is a tech brand that designs and manufactures world-class tech accessories, which has rapidly expanded in many countries. Mifa has two main products lines, earbuds and speakers. In this video we are going to take a look on their Mifa A10 Plus portable Bluetooth outdoor speaker that will amaze you. But before we move ahead, if you aren't still subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more details. Mifa A10 Plus portable Bluetooth speaker comes in very beautiful and solid box. Let's unbox it and see package contents. Speaker is wrapped with paper film to protect it. Remove it and you will see this beautiful speaker. Mifa A10 Plus portable speaker exhibits an elegant finish in the black color skin. You will get also a detachable strap. USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable. User manual. Now let's talk about its functions. It has 6 buttons on the speaker. Short press of minus button volume will decrease and long press will go to previous track. Short press plus button will increase the volume and long press will play next track. Short press of answering and hold button to answer or hang up the call and will long press to reject the call. Press Bluetooth button for 2 seconds to disconnect the paired device and speaker enters pairing mode. Short press it again to reconnect it to the last connected device. Press play mode button to play songs randomly and the indicator flashing. Press again to put a song on repeat and indicator stays on. Press again to play all the songs in a loop and the indicator turns off. Press power button and hold it for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Press and hold this button for 8 seconds to reset. There is LED indicator next to power button shows status of speaker. You can also find a built-in microphone on the speaker. This is auxiliary cable jack port. You can insert an audio cable in the powered on state. It will enter the AUX in mode automatically. This is USB flash port. You can insert an USB flash driver in the powered on state. It will play the music stored in the driver automatically after beeps. This is charging Type-C port. Charging indicator will stay on when charging. It will turn off after finish charging. This is micro SD card slot. You can insert micro SD card in this slot and it will play music stored in the card automatically after beeps. Let's power on this Bluetooth speaker and connect. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the speaker with a prompt sound. And white LED light flashes indicating it is in the pairing mode. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select Mifa_A10 Plus. Mifa A10 Plus has installed Bluetooth 5.0 in the audio player. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices. Once the connection is completed, it will beep and white LED light stays on. You will also connect 2 A10 Plus TWS speakers with your Bluetooth device. Mifa A10 Plus portable speaker comes with powerful 360-degree surround stereo sound. You can enjoy 2 high-performance 45mm full-range loudspeakers with +3 passive bass radiators. Mifa A10 Plus comes with coupled Class G amplifier that makes the sound louder and more powerful. Mifa A10 Plus will bring your music to life with rich bass and clear punchy sound. It comes with passive bass radiator on both sides of the speaker. It also set the passive radiator to enhance low bass frequencies. Mifa A10 Plus comes with built-in 2200 mAh lithium battery with 16 hours playtime. Also supports playing while charging. Mifa A10 Plus comes with dustproof and waterproof design, perfect for home and outdoor use. No worry about water splashing and rain. Mifa A10 Plus comes with a sturdy and durable lanyard. You can carry it easily. So, this was today's review. Hope you like it. Mifa A10 Plus portable outdoor speaker purchase link is mentioned in the description. Please visit and before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos.